Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on RHEL line. Open Firefox or any web browser, then go to torproject.org. Hit enter. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser. Either is fine. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 117 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. Now we have to untar this file. tar-xf. Give the tar, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction is completed. ls. See, here we have the Tor Browser directory. Okay, so we have successfully extracted this. The file is not required, so remove it. Tar, give the tab, hyphen, give the tab, hit enter, ls. Now go to this extracted Tor Browser directory, cd, tar, ls. See, here we have the tar, start tar browser dot desktop. We have to execute it. Sudo dot / start, give the tab, hit enter. This won't work. See, the Tor browser should not be run as the root, so exiting. So run this without sudo. Hit enter. See, now we are able to open the Tor browser. See, we got the Tor browser application. Now if you want to connect always automatically to Tor, you have to select this. Then click on connect. See, we have successfully connected to Tor, and the default search engine for Tor is DuckDuckGo. Okay. In this video, we have seen how to download and install Tor Browser on RHEL line. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.